Checking of control panel. Set the multimeter to voltage and check LVM common supply with neutral. If it shows voltage, we have to check NO supply. If there is voltage on NO, then our LVM is okay. Otherwise, change the RYB sequence. Then we check supply in LP or HP inlet. If it's showing voltage, we have to check LP or HP outlet if voltage is there on output too. So our HP or LP switch is okay. Otherwise, check both the suction and discharge pressures. Then we check compressor overload inlet number 95. If it's showing voltage, check the overload output number 96. If voltage is there on output too, so our compressor overload is okay. Otherwise, reset the overload. Then we have to check the controller supply. If supply is there and not showing readings on display, so check the controller display.